You are watching EnergyNewsTV.com, your home for fresh energy news, delivered daily. This is the early petroleum market report for October 23, 2024. WTI crude oil futures fell towards $70 per barrel on Wednesday, reversing earlier gains due to a larger-than-expected rise in U.S. stockpiles. API data showed U.S. crude inventories increased by 1.6 million barrels, more than double the forecasted 0.7 million. However, gasoline and distillate stocks declined. Markets await new EIA data due out this morning after crude storage at the Cushing hub has risen for 4 consecutive weeks. Meanwhile, diplomatic efforts in the Middle East are being watched as Israel continues attacks on Gaza and Lebanon. Elsewhere, China's recent stimulus measures have supported oil prices, but concerns still remain over long-term demand and a potential global surplus. In the natural gas market, after alternating between small gains and losses, the front-month November 2024 contract ultimately fell by less than a penny to $2.31 per MMBTU. While the late October forecast remains dismally mild, there are some early hints that by the second week of November, more seasonably cool conditions could finally make their presence known in the lower 48. We expect yesterday's gains were largely speculative dip buying in a commodity that was still undervalued fundamentally and oversold technically following a 25% decline. As long as the near-term temperature outlook remains mild, it will be very difficult for natural gas prices to achieve a sustained rally. For this reason, we see the $2.50 per MMBTU level for the November contract and $3 per MMBTU for the December contract to be price ceilings. However, with the storage surplus versus the 5-year average down more than 450 BCF from last spring's peak and prices still undervalued, the commodity could rally sharply at any time. We continue to feel that the magnitude of upside potential outweighs the magnitude of downside risk over the next 1 to 3 months, even if prices may continue to face headwinds near term. Thank you for watching EnergyNewsTV.com, your home for fresh energy news, delivered daily. Be sure to like and subscribe to our page. Stay tuned for more fresh energy news.